Hi everyone, welcome back to Guidezen. If you enjoy reading stories that truly hold your attention, Tapon is an app worth trying. Just go to your Google Play Store and then you need to search and find out Tapon. Just here, when I click on Tapon, this one you need to download this one. Okay, Tapon is a storytelling platform that delivers worthy stories you cannot put down. With the daily updates across different themes and natures, this app focuses on meaningful, engaging, and emotionally powerful content rather than random scrolling. Users can explore stories related to life experiences, inspirations, human emotions, reality, and deep thoughts. The content is short, impactful, and designed to keep readers engaged without feeling overwhelmed. Tapon is deal for people who want quality reading content in their daily routine. Subscribe for more apps that add value to your digital life because good stories are meant to be felt, not skipped. I will see you in the next one, guys. Goodbye. Best of luck.